This is the most amazing book in the world. You can read it and study it, but also share it and discuss it with others. As Christians, it's important to do all of them, all the time. We should meet up with others and examine God's Word. Most of us do just that, but only for 1 or 2 days a week. How do you keep it up throughout the whole week? Introducing Biblink. Biblink is a website designed for Bible studies. Now you and your groups can be persistent and connected with 3 simple features. The similar verse finder, so you can search the Bible and related verses. A shared Bible for your group to read and annotate. And a discussion platform for all your thoughts and points to be expressed. Connect with your group on Biblink or create one and invite others. We encourage you to grow in the love of God. Our theme verses, Hebrews 10:24 through 25 say, "And let us consider how we may spur one another on toward love and good deeds, not giving up meeting together as some are in the habit of doing, but encouraging one another, and all the more as you see the day approaching." Grow in love, truth, and fellowship, all for the glory of God. Biblink, a platform for Bible studies.